You can add new content to any page via the drag and drop section. This section can be accessed via the second option on the left-hand menu. Here you'll see a range of different content cards. These are elements that you can drag onto the page. To do this, just place your cursor over any of the content cards, hold down your mouse button, and drag that card towards the page. Once your cursor gets closer to the page, you'll see this pink dotted line appear. Now this line is a guide that shows you where your content will be placed when you release the mouse button. So if you move your mouse up and down the page, you'll see the position of this pink line change. Once you're happy with the position shown, just release your mouse button. If you're in the middle of dragging a card onto the page and you change your mind, just move the cursor away from the page until the pink line disappears. Release your mouse button and you'll see that the content is not added to the page. To change the position of some content that's already on the page, just click the item. And when this blue menu appears, use the arrows at the bottom to move that card up or down. If you need to delete a content card from the page, again, just click it and select the delete option at the bottom of the blue menu.